Thanks for joining us today at 4. Jenny and Scott in for Dustin and Felicia. We start this afternoon with 2 men charged in a deadly hit-and-run crash back in court today, asking for lower bail.
Our Rich Nye takes us inside the courtroom with his camera, where the immigration status of these defendants is complicating how justice will be served in this case.
The right arm of 21-year-old Angel Acevedo Franco is in a cast, presumably an injury from this crash. He was allegedly driving the Ford Mustang that hit a pickup truck at Lyndhurst Drive and Vermont Street December 11th. 38-year-old Saturnino Garcia died in the fiery crash. Investigators say this home surveillance video shows 18-year-old Ricardo Martinez Valadez return to the scene and pick up Acevedo Franco. The stepbrothers were allegedly street racing at the time of the crash. Both face multiple felony charges. Both are undocumented immigrants. Both asked for a reduced bond in court Tuesday.
How long have you lived in Marion County?
A year?
The state's primary concern is the risk of flight. He has not been an Indiana resident for very long, only 1 year. There is a federal hold, and if bond is posted, the state is concerned that ICE will then come in and take him, and then we will never be able to pursue this case, and there's a victim here who deserves that.
Whether I keep the bond in place or not, that doesn't prevent ICE from removing him, so it's possible whether there's a bond or not. If he's removed by ICE, I can't do anything about that.
If either of these men post bond, they would not be released immediately. ICE would be notified, and they would most certainly be taken into federal custody. And what happens next is uncertain.
The primary issue has been whether undocumented people are entitled to a bond with immigration courts.
The judge left Acevedo Franco's bond at $25,000 cash. She lowered Martinez Valadez's bond from $20,000 to $15,000 cash. But the best way to avoid deportation may be to stay in the Marion County Jail. In Indianapolis, Rich Nye, 13 News.